In this video, we're going to talk about Bluetooth connection issues between your phone and the controller. During this video, I'm going to refer to the power light. So I wanted to kind of show you what that is. This is what I'm talking about on the controller, on the Lightstream system. If the power light is green, that means it's available and can accept invitations. So basically, if you're trying to scan this, you're all set. It's green and it's ready. If the power light on the controller is teal, that means that this controller is tied to a device and the app on the device. So if this is teal and somebody else tries to scan the code, it will come up with a communication error saying it can't be found or can't be connected to or anything like that. And that's because the software on this is already tied to another controller or to another device, a phone, the app. The only way to get that off is to go into the Lightstream app and go back, and this will turn the green. Every once in a while, I receive notice of a Lightstream controller and the Lightstream app not syncing. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and simulate that. I've got a controller here. The power light is green and on. We're going to add a new controller. So we're going to scan this controller. And we are actually going to name it test, and then the actual code on it, which is a capital V, capital L, capital C, and then 1484. And then, there's pound and 6 zeros, but we're going to do without that. And we're going to hit continue. It says that it's set up correctly, so we're going to go ahead and hit finish. It says that we're all done. Why don't you try setting a schedule or building a theme? Yep, there is a connection issue. We're going to try again. And there's a connection issue. So we're going to go ahead and cancel. And again, it's still green. What's odd is we're seeing that we're connected to it, but the controller is still green. So what we're going to do is we're going to get out of that. We're going to go to our settings. And you can see down here, we have a controller or a Bluetooth item that has all zeros. This means that our controller has had its name overwritten with the phone. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on that. Which, oddly enough, comes up here and gives us our number. So now it's a VLC 1484, just like we typed in there. So we're going to go ahead and switch and go back to our app, and we're going to get out of it. In fact, we are going to close it completely. We're going to start over. So what we'll do, open this. And then we did it as a test VLC 1484. Let's connect to it. We received a Bluetooth connection problem. So we're going to go ahead and go into our settings. We have our VLC 1484. So this is going to refresh it. And then we are going to turn off. This puts the controller power back at green. So we've disconnected from the controller. And we've turned it back on, and now it's down at the bottom saying it's available. We are going to go back into the app. We're going to click on our controller. And we're in.